High-quality AI video generation is taking over the internet. But there is one massive problem. The best tools are usually locked behind a heavy paywall. Everyone is talking about Grok's video capabilities. But what if I told you there is a way to get that exact same level of power, completely for free? Welcome back to Tech for Boost. If you are a creator, a freelancer, or someone just trying to build digital assets efficiently, you know that paying monthly fees for every single AI tool drains your resources. That is why Gemini Gen AI is a game changer. This platform essentially bridges the gap, allowing you to tap into advanced video generation models similar to what you'd expect from Grok without spending a single dollar. It is built for speed, the interface is clean, and the rendering times are incredibly fast. It is the perfect addition to an optimized. Now, you need to register Google account first to get started to generate video for free. Here we are. There are some models are free, like Grok, Google Veo, and Sora. Okay, generate video credit is 0 or free as you see. You can set quality to 720, set ratio any size. Now, I will put a video prompt. Then generate video with Grok. Okay, now Grok generating video. Now here's the video has generated. Let's play this video. Perfect in quality and following up with prompt. Okay, if you love this generated video, click download. If you love this, click like button, subscribe Tech for Boost, and click the bell button to get new notification. See you soon.